Welcome to Auto Guide, the only segment in television where we educate, inform, and enlighten you about the components that make up your vehicle.
Welcome to Auto Guide. My name is Patrick Okumendia. As a practitioner in the industry, I used to work in a loop bay where we service over 1,000 vehicles monthly in our 3 outlets. And one of the things we normally find whenever we drain oil in all these cars was metal particles dissolving in the oil when you drain it. We were now wondering what is the reason. And later we found out that the oil that people are using in their vehicles are not suitable for their vehicles, and so it corrodes and destroys the metal and the bearing, and then in the long run the crankshaft. So it has been a pathetic situation in the country. That's why you see Nigerian used cars, people are running away from it. Even the owners are running away from it because they don't know what to do. Auto Expert has gone far and wide to find a solution to this problem. We have found an engine oil flush that is suitable, that will not corrode the metal bearing in your vehicle, that will not destroy your connecting rod, that will not even destroy your crankshaft, because the crankshaft is once the metal bearing goes off, the crankshaft is on its own. And so we have this vehicle that is already going to its final destination, but we want to bring it back because we believe it still has many more years to go. And so one of the things we need to do is we are going to flush the engine, and once we flush the engine, we will now use these very crucial engine oils. The engine oils have a revitalizant. What does a revitalizant mean? It means it will restore all the metal and the bearing that has been corroded. And so this oil will revitalize this vehicle, the bearing, the connecting rod, the crankshaft, the metal, and then all the metals in the engine. And then creates smooth integration that the car will never overheat, that the metals will never rub each other, and then in the end, the metals will be automatically restored. So in the long run, it will prevent you from going to resurface the metal, grind cylinder, and do all those stuff. This oil is the solution. This is the final thing you will use is called automatic metal conditioner. It will recondition the metal. After using this, because this is for an engine that is dying, this is automatic metal conditioner. After you've done the engine oil change, use this one. This is the final one. So after using this engine oil, you will now start the car and then put this, the way I'm shaking it now, you will now pour it inside the engine oil, and will guarantee you 100,000 kilometers. Your metal and bearing will remain the same way it is, because it restores the metal back the way it was. Every gap that is there, it will recoat it and leave it the way it is for 100,000 kilometers or miles, depending on the specification of your vehicle. And so we are going to do an example of it now. We have already flushed the engine. We are now going to put the engine oil, and then we come back anytime and tell you this is what we have done. If your car is having these same issues, don't hesitate to write us. Tell us what is wrong with your car, and we will recommend this oil for you, and then you will see the need for you to maintain using the right oil. When you use it, this one will last you over 20,000 miles. The oil and the metal, they will restore everything back in 1,500 kilometers out of normal usage. You don't need to go to the moon. Just be driving. You'll see gradually everything. It's not automatic. Gradually it will cover everything, and you have a brand new engine. You don't even need to go and say, let me go and change metal or bearing. Even your oil pressure, it will also boost it, that the oil pressure will be in a very good state. When you use this AMC, we call it AMC, automatic metal conditioner, even when you are not using this one alone can restore your engine the way it should be. Until we come your way next week, thank you very much.
Do you know when to change your transmission fluid? For more info and safety tips, watch Auto Experts on the following channels and follow all our social media platforms at Auto Experts. For advert placements and sponsorship, call 080 2424 5543.